Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to convert low resolution logo to high resolution vector in Canva. So first of all, we go here, create a blank page, then click whatever you want. So let's say that you have your logo here. So let's say just search for random logos in Google, but let's just pretend that this is your logo. So we go here, then save image. So we can see that the image is only 107 KB, and it's not that quality, or the resolution is not that high. So what we're gonna do is we go to Canva, then we add the image to Canva. So get the image from your downloads and put it on the Canva screen. So press here. So just wait for a few moments. So after going to Canva, it's just very easy. Well, now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna press share, download. Then PNG is one of the best, but there is what we call SVG, which is best for web designs and animations. Then press download. So that's how easy it is to convert low resolution logo to high resolution vector in Canva. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell button for more Canva tips to come. Once again, thank you for watching.